Okay, it's time to harvest my garlic scapes. And the celery that I transplanted here seems to be doing okay, which is good news. So yes, lots of these garden scapes. That's what these are, the curly bits. And I've got a whole row of them to deal with. So we're going to do that now. Then we're going to harvest the lavender. And once again, a whole row of lavender. Okay, I harvested about 3/4 of my lavender buds. Ran out of elastic bands. Thought I'd had enough. So I'm going to leave this until the next time. And I've uncovered my beans to allow them to grow up this trellis. Hopefully they are large enough now that the bunnies will leave them alone. We'll just have to wait and see. If they become a problem, I'll just have to cover them up again. And the camomile's in full bloom. That should be picked as well. We'll see what we can do about that another day, though. All my garden scapes are sitting in my potato pots, so they have to be gathered up and brought home. Okay, and here is my beautiful basket of lavender that I just picked. I'm just going to transport them home in this basket. They will be hung upside down, tied up and hung upside down, because they'll dry much better that way. And now to deal with my garden scapes. I guess I could just chop them up real fine, put them through the blender, and then I will freeze them, I think. Okay, that's it for now. That's my garden harvest for the day. Okay, I wrapped up the bundles of lavender in elastic bands so that when they dry, they won't fall out. The elastic bands will continue to hold them tight. Then I tied bundles of 2, staggered, so that I have a long row and they are not all bunched up together, to give them some room to air dry. And they're hung outside. So these should be dry in maybe a week or so.